Hello guys, magandang tanghali po. Andito na naman tayo sa ating barley portion. Guys, alam mo ba, itong barley is very powerful. Kasi ito guys is many nutrients. And this is the old grass uses before Christ. Okay guys, let's have our drink barley. Guys, alam mo ba ang barley is many food, good nutrients for the body? Amazing barley grass have many nutrients. Magtimpla na po tayo guys para sa ating drink for today. Ito na po yung ating barley. Barley guys, now available. Just keep in touch with me in the messenger only in Saudi Arabia. I sell only 110, 1 box, this one. At marami po siyang benefits. At nakapag-prove po ako dyan dahil yung aking blood pressure start 2015 is 130, 137, 140, 130 yung aking BP. Pero kay may maintenance, bumababa lang siya ng 137 for 8 years. Pero ngayon guys, inom na ako ng barley yesterday and last Friday, 1 week later na, 1 week ago, nag-BP po ako doon sa Jeddah. The result is 120. So, aprobado po na ang barley is good for the body. At mayroon siyang maraming vitamins. Vitamin C, food synthesis, chlorophyll, folic para sa brain, and fibers for the heart and the cancer, vitamin K, vitamin B, vitamin 12, vitamin C, 6, B6, nandito na po lahat guys. So, what are you looking for? Barley. Ito guys, galing po sa Pilipinas. Pinadi-DHA lang po dito sa Saudi Arabia. I'm available anytime. So, ito na guys. Mag-drink na po tayo. Ayan po yung aking barley. Oh, matatapon. Ayan po guys. Yung ating barley. Ang pag-inom po dito guys, dapat walang laman ang tiyan. Nagkakain man ako mamayang kunti after 2 hours kasi magpapasyal po ako doon sa labas. So, barley guys, good to maintain our BP. Barley have also anti-aging. So guys, barley is available on me in the Philippines. Online, just PM me in my YouTube channel, Aleng Chumay channel in YouTube, and available on my Facebook page, Reyna Mayra Paglinawan, or just keep in touch with me only in here in Makkah. But if you want in other countries, just PM me and to have a membership. Not only for the profit, and also a good benefit to your body. Asahan mo guys, hindi po kayo magsisisi. Barley po, organic to guys, no chemicals. Barley grass, amazing barley grass. Ito po ay maraming nutrients. Ako mismo nakapagtutunay at anti-aging. Wala na pa akong kinatakutan na wala na akong maintenance sa BP because this is my maintenance. Barley, not only for the blood pressure, marami po siyang nutrients sa puso, sa heart. Yes, for the heart, for the skin, for the brain. Lahat-lahat na po guys. Food sa ating katawan. For ating pineal glands, nakakatulong po siya for the brain vitamins. Anyway, they advertise about pineal glands XT is I'm also gusto ko po yun. Pero not yet. So, ito lang po muna ang take over for all the vitamins because andito na po siya lahat. Barley guys, just buy barley. This is good for the body, especially sa mga old ones. Bumabalik po ang inyong energetic before when you are young, when we are young. Barley guys. So, what are you looking for? Aprobado na po since before the gladiator. Ito po mayroon na po ang kanyang product sa barley grass. So, ito na po guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe in my Aling Chumay in YouTube or just PM me in my Facebook page, Reyna Mayra Paglinawan. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.